Hi DJI fans, my name is Karina. Welcome to DJI Mavic Air tutorials. In this episode, we're going to show you how to upgrade your firmware. To upgrade your firmware, make sure your smartphone has internet access and plug it in to the Mavic Air's remote while connected to the Mavic Air. If there is a firmware update available, you will be prompted when you open the DJI Go 4 app, and the new firmware will automatically be downloaded to your aircraft. There's always new improvements being made, so make sure your firmware is up to date before you fly. Also, check the forums and DJI support if you have any questions.